Is your Jeep Renegade showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? 80% of these connection issues can be resolved without visiting a dealership. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to bring your screen back to life. Start by ruling out the basics like a damaged cable or a dirty charging port. If the hardware is fine, try a soft reset of the Uconnect head unit. Outdated firmware is a common culprit for black screen bugs on Jeep systems. Most fixes are simple, but if the issue persists, the USB hub might be failing. Here is the typical cost breakdown if you need to replace hardware components. For advanced troubleshooting, try a hard battery reset and check your radio fuses. Keep these few basic tools in your glove box to handle common electrical glitches. Always prioritize safety by properly securing your Jeep before performing any electrical work. If these steps fixed your display, leave a like and subscribe for more repairs.